English Welsh Essentials, is there.
Oes.
For real-life travel. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to sound great in Welsh? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master 9 power phrases that unlock everyday life in Wales. We'll laugh, drill, and order snacks, responsibly. Let's go. Your goal today. Say each phrase out loud when you hear it. Your mouth is your best teacher. Is there.
Oes.
May I.
Gae.
I need.
Dwi angen.
Where is.
Ble mae?
What is.
Beth yw?
How much does cost.
Faint mae yn costio?
I would like.
Hoffwn i.
Can you. Informal.
Alli di.
Can you. Polite, plural.
Allwch chi.
Dialogue. Coffee shop capers. Listen in and repeat the Welsh lines with confidence. You. I would like a latte, please.
Hoffwn i.
Latte, os gwelch. You. Checking Wi-Fi. Is there Wi-Fi here?
Oes.
Wi-Fi YMA? You. Pointing at cake. How much does this cost?
Faint mae yn costio?
Barista. It's cheap today. You. Great, may I sit here?
Gae.
Eistedd YMA? You. To a friend, can you hold this?
Alli di.
DDALHWN? You. Politely to staff, can you open the window?
Allwch chi.
Agar YF Fenister? Snack size drills. Your turn, short prompts, quick replies. Say the Welsh out loud. Ask. Is there a bathroom upstairs? Start with.
Oes.
Ask. May I borrow your pen? Start with.
Gae.
Say, I need water. Start with.
Dwi angen.
Ask. Where is the station? Start with.
Ble mae?
Ask for a definition. What is this? Start with.
Beth yw?
Ask the price of that t-shirt. Use.
Faint mae yn costio?
Order politely. I would like a coffee. Start with.
Hoffwn i.
Informal help. Can you carry this? Start with.
Alli di.
Polite help. Can you speak slowly? Start with.
Allwch chi.
Culture tip. Politeness wins. Tiny tweaks make you sound wonderfully courteous. Use.
Hoffwn i.
For polite requests in cafes and shops, it's softer than saying you want. With friends,
Ashidi.
is perfect, but with staff or strangers, switch to.
Ashochi.
When you're lost.
Ble mai.
Plus a smile works miracles. Mini comedy. Lost, hungry, curious. A quick skit to glue it all together. Repeat the Welsh lines. I need food.
Dwi angen.
BWYD. Where is the nearest cafe?
Ble mai.
Why cafe agosaf? Inside, what is the soup of the day?
Beth yw.
Call YDYDD? I would like bread as well.
Hoffwn i.
Farah Hefide. Is there any milk?
Oes.
Yeath? To server, can you bring water, please?
Ashochi.
DDODA doer, OS Gwelch YNDDA? Bill time. How much does it cost?
Faint mai fy'n costio.
Pointing at door, may I open the window first? Fresh air.
Gai.
Agar YF Fenister? To your mate, can you save me a seat?
Ashidi.
Gatey W said I-Fi? Lightning quiz. Answer in Welsh, shout it out, then I'll confirm. How do you ask, as there, in Welsh? A.
Oes.
Polite, can you? To a stranger? A.
Ashochi.
Informal, can you? To a friend? A.
Ashidi.
Start a definition with, what is? A.
Beth yw.
The price question, go. A.
Faint mai fy'n costio.
Challenge. 30-second tourist. Pretend you just arrived in Cardiff. Use at least 5 target phrases. Ready? Go. 1. Ask for directions to the station. Start with.
Ble mai.
2. Check availability of Wi-Fi. Start with.
Oes.
3. Order coffee politely. Start with.
Hoffwn i.
4. Ask the price of a map. Use.
Faint mai fy'n costio.
5. Request help from staff. Use.
Ashochi.
Bonus. Ask a friend to hold your bag. Use.
Ashidi.
Wild card. If confused, ask, what is?
Beth yw.
And if you're desperate for snacks, I need crisps.
Dwi angen.
Crisps. Thanks and next steps. You smashed it. Keep these on your tongue all day. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Practice.
Oes. Ga. Dwi angen. Ble mae? Beth yw? Faint mae fy'n costio? Hoffwn ni. Alli di.
And,
Allwch chi.
whenever you can, come back tomorrow and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and speaking drills. See you soon.